Greetings, Westside Montessori families. I hope that you all have had a wonderful and joyful holiday season with your families. I am coming to you today to provide more information on the calendar amendment that we announced at our Fall Town Hall meeting on December 14th. As you know, at Westside Montessori, we are continuously working to strengthen the support of our teachers, which ensures that our students have the support that they need to excel in our classrooms each and every day. One of, and perhaps the most prominent obstacle that educators must manage is making adequate time to do all of their vital work, which includes individual lesson planning, conducting and analyzing student assessments, progress monitoring, designing and creating materials and interventions for students, among plenty of other tasks that educators have on their plates. Numerous research and trade articles in the United States identify time to plan and job-embedded training as a top priority in improving schools and in improving teacher practice. Currently at Westside, our elementary through middle school teachers receive fewer minutes of planning time per week, around 210 minutes, than the minimum standard for Texas schools, which is at 225 minutes per week. All of our faculty need additional time to provide the highest quality of education that you have come to expect from Westside Montessori. To accomplish this goal, we announced in December that the last Fridays of February and April, which are February 25th and April 29th, that these 2 days would be early dismissal days, allowing our teachers to participate in the essential professional development that they need to do their jobs well. On February 25th and April 29th, we have scheduled training for faculty that addresses educating students with learning differences, specifically dyslexia, and teaching those students considered to be academically advanced or academically gifted. And that training is for our elementary through middle school teachers. And we have also scheduled language curriculum workshops for our toddler and primary teachers. We have amended the dismissal time for toddlers and primary students to 12 p.m. and elementary through middle school will be dismissed at 12:30 p.m. Aftercare will still be available until 6:30 p.m. for all students that are enrolled in our full day program. This decision supports two of the three school-wide goals that we established at the beginning of the school year based on survey data from staff and families. The first goal focuses on providing faculty more support in their teaching practice. And the second goal focuses more directly on providing support for students with learning gaps and academically advanced students. If you haven't had the chance to view the December Town Hall presentation videos or our slides from that meeting, please visit the parent portal on our website. And there you will find detailed information regarding Westside Montessori's goals to continue to solidify our foundation of educational excellence. I want to thank you for supporting our greatest strength, our faculty and staff, as they work in their purpose and serve and in serving our greatest priority, which is nurturing our children academically, socially, and emotionally. Be well and stay safe, and I wish you and your family a peaceful 2022.